Here I am in Eureka, the true Northern California. It's not San Francisco. It's not Santa Rosa. This is 1 hour shy of the Oregon border. This is just the most beautiful, beautiful place, and it's here in California. Eureka means I found it. For hundreds of years, the Europeans looked for this place. They couldn't find it because of the rough seas and all of the rain that you see today kept this place veiled in mystery. It's Eureka. I found it. Eureka Books sells new, used, and rare books in an impressively restored 2-level Victorian storefront. They are located in the middle of historic Old Town, and yet there always seems to be an open parking space right in front. Tourists can quench their thirst for something made in this town. Parents can take their kids for their first read. There's plenty of seating to thumb through a book, and the chandelier's lights brighten up my mood. New editions of the college classics can help me go down memory lane. Whether I'm looking for a reason to leave home on a rainy day or needing a moment to leave the stress behind, Eureka Books is one of my favorite places in this town.